Hello everyone, it's great to be here today. My name is Rahul, and in this video I'm excited to share with you a quick and easy way to apply for a loan through Iwoca directly from Nomi's platform. If you're looking for a fast and hassle-free way to get the funding you need to take your business to the next level, then you don't want to miss this. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. To provide SMEs in the UK with faster and better access to loans, Iwoca has announced its partnership with Nomi. Through this partnership, Iwoca's API is integrated into Nomi's platform, offering users quick and adaptable funding choices. This means that small businesses can now easily obtain funding without any delay. The integration of Iwoca's Flexi Loan for SMEs into the platform will enable users to streamline the loan application process using Nomi's information and interface. The partnership's initial implementation showed that Nomi's clients who applied for loans through Iwoca received loan decisions promptly. Nomi's collaboration with Iwoca also represents a significant milestone in its mission to automate and simplify finances for self-employed individuals in the UK. Integrating Iwoca's flexible business loans into its platform allows businesses and independent contractors to manage their enterprise comfortably. This partnership ensures that small business owners always have access to the essential funding sources they require to succeed. So let's dive in to the step-by-step process and see how we can set up Iwoca and make a loan application. As you log in into Nomi, you will have to navigate to settings. Under integrations, you will find Iwoca integration along with the others offered in Nomi. On the screen, you will have to click on the label enable, and this will enable the Iwoca integration. If you find the label named as disabled, then it means that it has already been enabled, and from here you will have to access a client record, that is a company. So we'll move on to a client, and now we'll click on clients on the left hand side and we'll search Nomi. As of now, the Iwoca integration is available only for the companies. So now as we click on the name of Nomi Limited, for the bookkeeping record, this takes us to the beautiful bookkeeping dashboard. We can see a fresh view of the bookkeeping dashboard, which gives an overview of sales under the bar graph along with unreconciled bank transactions, pending receipts and expenses. And on this screen, we have advisor tools on the header. So we have to just click on that. So to apply for a loan, we can click on this advisor tools. And here we have the option of invite client to apply for loan. Now, as we click on this, then it redirects to an email, and this email then we have to send to the customer so that they can start the loan application process. Now, in this email, the email address which is showing up under the to section is being fetched from the client's record, and if you want to send it to somebody else, then you can also change it and type in the email address. Now we'll click on send and send this email to the customer so that they can start their loan application. Now as the client receives the email, they'll click on the link that is start loan application, and then it will redirect them to the Nomi Iwoca landing page. So let us click on the start loan application. On the Nomi Iwoca landing page, you will have to tick the checkbox for agreeing with the terms and conditions and then click on apply now. It allows you to apply for funds starting from 1,000 to 500,000 pounds. So by clicking on apply now, it will take you to the get started screen. Now on the get started screen, you will have to enter the business email address and the amount of loan you would like to receive. As you click on get started, it will show you a message that it has set up an account and share the password in an email sent to your business email address. So let's enter the business email here, and then we'll click on get started. So this says that we have set up an account for the email address, and we've also sent an email so that we can set the password. Now on this screen, as we can see, it picks up the business name. However, we have to provide the website, which is an optional one, and the turnover of the last 12 months, and mention if the business is VAT registered or not. So let's say if it is like 75,000 pounds and the business is not registered for the VAT, then we can click on next step after this. And this takes us to the tell us about yourself screen, where we have the name of the director. We can remove it from here and we can choose any other director's name. We can provide the details of the director. and we have to provide a mobile number here, so we'll just type in, and after that we have to enter the postcode. So once we choose the address, then after that we can see that all the data is updated here, and then these details are shared with the credit reference agencies to run soft credit and identity checks. So this won't affect the personal credit scores, but it would be possible that the directors may be asked to provide a personal guarantee. So credit checks are conducted on directors and any other guarantors. It will be shared with fraud prevention agencies as well. So if any fraud is spotted, then the directors could be refused services, finance, or employment. And then we have to tick the checkbox, that is, I've read and agreed to all terms and conditions, this one, and then click on get decision. So as we click on get decision, then it will run the checks based on the information provided, and you'll receive multiple funding offers, and as you accept an offer, you'll be receiving the funds within 24 hours of your application. So this is all we have about the Iwoca loan application. We have to follow this process, and then we can quickly avail the loans within 24 hours of the application if everything goes fine. Thank you.